How to increase daily transaction limit in Royal Bank of Canada. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see how we can increase daily transaction limit in Royal Bank of Canada. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in this video, I'll provide you some instructions in order to increase your daily transaction. First of all, you have to either visit your RBC online banking portal or you can use the application as well. After that, make sure to log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, on the account summary page, there look for an option as daily transaction limit. You will find that option on the upper right corner under account management section. After that, there you will find an option as edit limits. Tap on edit limits and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to set your desired limits. Specify the new amount and expiry date for the limits as well. So in this way, you can increase your daily transaction limit in Royal Bank of Canada, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.